We are on the session 8 about the DG documentation, which the documentation is CPR declaration, airway bill. Sorry, this should be additional bill of lading. Yeah, not airway bill, BL, but I will change it later. This is airway bill for air freight. Sea freight should be BL. And another additional form, yeah. The subtopics of our HAMS today is, the first one is about the documents and how to storage the dangerous goods. Yeah. How we compact it, we loaded this cargo or dangerous good based on the requirement, and the structure of dangerous good documentation. The type of document that must be available. So we must prepare. Yeah, this is just preparation. Not every shipment must have MSDS, but only just the preparation. MSDS is material safety data sheet. Safety data sheet is the document contain the specification of the commodity of the product. Yeah. Ship deck is CPR declaration. We will use a multimodal CPR declaration. CPR declaration is about where shipper declare the dangerous good detail. Yeah. And container and vehicle certificate, the certification that container and vehicle has been prepared accordingly based on the requirement. Emergency response information procedure is the procedure, the document list the contact person and the flow of emergency, and other documents required in accordance with applicable regulation. So this is the figure of the CPR declaration multimode. Multimode CPR declaration, you can see like CPR consignee here, yeah, contain the data of the CPR consignee, the transport document number, yeah, the carrier, yeah, the vessel number and date, place of loading, place of discharge, destination, and the detail of the shipping, the shipment, number and kind of package, description of good, gross mass, net mass, yeah, and container identification number, vehicle registration number. So this is about the certificate of the container, the declaration here. Yeah, later on we will discuss about this. The seal number when necessary, container vehicle size, this is the size of container, 20 feet or 40 feet, tear of the container, total gross mass or including tear per kilogram, and this is the name, place and date of the declarant and the hauler's name, vehicle register number, drivers, and this is place and date, also the signature. And in all documents relating to the transport of dangerous goods by sea, the name and technical name and specification must be clearly stated. In the middle of this form, there should be detail of the name or technical name of the shipment over here, yeah. Also the UN number, yeah, and the class, packing group is listed or written here in the middle. And shipping document must be accompanied by certificate or information sign the shipment of goods has been equipped with a good mark, label, or placarded. So it means if they declare, later on after this, this is a shipper declaration, they declare this one that the shipping documents must be accompanied by certificate of information. The shipment of goods has been equipped with good mark. So this is the column when shipper declare, I hereby declare that the content of this consignment are fully and accurately described below by the proper shipping name and are classified, packaged, marked, and labeled, placarded, and are in all respect in proper condition for transport according to the applicable international and national governmental regulation. So this is means that the shipment has been marked and labeled or placarded properly. So this is the column written the legal aspect of the shipper. And after that, the party who is responsible for packing dangerous goods in container transported by ship or freight container or land vehicle or road vehicle must provide a container packaging certificate or vehicle packing declaration which states that the goods in the unit have been properly packed and meet transportation requirements. So this is on the below the this is in the part below, in the bottom left side, there will be information related to the container identification number, seal number, container vehicle size, then there will be words like this, container or vehicle packing certificate. I hereby declare that the goods described above have been packed, loaded into the container or vehicle identified above in accordance with the applicable provision. So this is must be completed and signed for all container vehicle loads by person responsible for packing, loading, and the name of the company who provide the container or vehicle, the declarer name, place and date, and the signature. And this is the additional is a driver's signature, And if there is a suspicion that a freight container or vehicle in which the dangerous goods are packaged does not meet the requirement or the certificate, or if certificate is not available, the container cannot be accepted. So the container cannot be accepted for loading on board if there is a suspicion. If the dangerous goods packaging doesn't meet the requirement or the certificate is not available. And the last, it's ship carrying dangerous goods, must have specialist or list good carried on the dangerous goods cargo manifest, on the dangerous cargo manifest vessel. So according to the classification and location of placement, a cargo stowage plan is prepared complete with classification and location of hazardous loads. This is the sample of the dangerous cargo manifest. Consists of the cargo name, the proper shipping name, the hazard class, UN or ID number, amount and type of packages or packaging, gross weight, and the stowage location. This is so that the location in Bay 3, Row 3, Tier 82. So this is actually still on the land, not on the ship yet. This is Bay 3, Row 3, Tier 82. So this is Row 3. So another sample is dangerous goods manifest. So this is with the shipper and consignee name, packaging number, shipping declaration, stowage position. So this is the stowage position, the location, the gross weight, container number, port of discharge, and shipment number. And the stowage requirements. Dangerous goods must be loaded, built up, or compacted or stowaged to ensure their safety and arranged according to the nature of the cargo. Loads that are incompatible with other type of load must be separated or segregated. So there will be a segregation table later on. Yeah, we will learn about the segregation later on after this documentation. The cargo of explosives, which can pose a serious risk, must be packed in a magazine which is kept closed and secure while at sea. So this is when you are on the passenger vessel, yeah. So discharge must be separated from the detonator, equipment, and electrical cable in its compartment in which the cargo is located so that it minimizes the risk of fire or explosion, yeah, for the incidentally trigger, yeah. So this is related about the explosive cargo. The dangerous goods in package form that emit hazardous gases must be located in mechanically ventilated or compacted space above the deck. So when you are loading the gases, yeah, class 2, so ensure the deck with ventilation, yeah, with the compacted space, yeah. So this is will release also the gases flow, yeah. Dangerous goods in solid form and in large quantities that can emit hazardous gases should be located in a room with adequate ventilation. So the keyword is ventilation for the gases. So on ship containing flammable liquid and gases, special precaution need to be taken against the risk of fire or explosion. Yeah, if they load the flammable liquid and gas, special precaution need to be taken. Yeah, substance which can spontaneously generate heat and burn. This is the division 4. Yeah, should not be transported unless adequate precautions have been taken to minimize exposure to fire. Yeah? And the units of cargo carried, including container, must be loaded, stacked, or compacted, or stowed, and guaranteed safety during the voyage in accordance with the cargo securing manual. So there will be another document, another reference or manual that must be followed, which is approved by the administration or the government. So this is the cover of the cargo securing manual by IMO. And this is the example of multimodal dangerous good. Yeah, I think we have seen this one, this form before. Yeah, with container vehicle certification part. And the structure of dangerous good documentation based on the imdg. When we are talking about shipping procedure on imdg code, on the section 5 should be, we'll cross check later on, and the documentation on the chapter 5.4, transport document 541, container certificate transportation 542, and document need on board the ship 543, and information and other documentation 544, and multi-mode dangerous good form in 545. Okay, so that's it for session 8. Okay.